Welcome! In front of me I have Nintendo Switch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to restart this device. To restart this device we need to press and hold the power button that is located right here at the top on the left side beside the volume buttons, right next to volume buttons. And we need to press and hold it, keep holding it until you see the menu on the screen. And once you see the menu on the screen, you can tap on the option called Power Options and then tap on Restart to basically reboot your Switch. And now let's wait until the device is done rebooting. And we're back in the system, as you can see. Another way, bit cheeky though, is to basically turn off the console by pressing and holding the power button for about 10 seconds. So keep holding the button. And after the screen turns off, you can release the button. At this point the console should be turned off. And now you can turn it back on by pressing the power button once. And after a second you should see the Nintendo logo and it will basically boot up into a system again. Like this. And that's how you restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.